Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itong energy ng week ninyo, April 13 to 19, 2026. General reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. If you want a private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. O kaya naman mag-book ka from the calendar, link on the description and comment section. Okay, so Sagittarius, what's the energy for this week para sa mga Sag? You have the Ace of Cups. Or mayroon kang bagong inspiration. So there's a transformation here. I think this is your reward. Reward mo from suffering. Kumbaga, hindi nag-work out yung ibang bagay sa buhay mo. Can be relationship, career, or business na pinurso mo in the past. And this time, binibigay sa'yo yung pagkakataon na makapagsimula muli. Things are transforming. Things are ending for you. And if you feel na disappointed ka or na-disappoint ka sa mga naging resulta ng relationship mo or plano mo, it is because merong ibang nakalaan para sa'yo that will definitely bring you more happiness, excitement, contentment. And I also see na you will focus on your health, no? Kalusugan. Isa yan sa magiging pagkakaabalahan. You have the Four of Pentacles. This is stability. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may parating na magandang oportunidad sa trabaho, sa finances ninyo na magbibigay ng stability or a source of income, no? Na kung saan gusto nyo yung ginagawa nyo. Kasi pag sa trabaho, kapag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, hindi mo na may isip na nagtatrabaho ka, di ba? So, hindi ka masyado mapapagod or masistress. You have the Tower and the Knight of Cups. So, pagdating sa relationship, if yung relationship mo hindi maayos or you've been through a relationship na toxic, it is because may tinatanggal talaga sa buhay mo para may chance na itong bagong person or may space na sa buhay mo itong bagong person na to. You have the Eight of Swords kasi may tendency ka na parang iniisip mo, you don't deserve this situation, you don't deserve to be loved. Pwede kasing masyado kang yung bang napababa yung self-esteem mo ng person that you are dealing with or kung sino man tong tao na hindi naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. Kaya akala mo wala ka ng growth. But actually, you are so powerful. Minsan, di mo na nare-realize kung gaano ka ka-powerful, kung ano yung mga talents mo, skill set mo. So, let's see what else. You have, egotism. This is Mars in the 5th house. 5th house is about your talents, your skill set. Maaring magte-take action ka. You will take pride on your abilities, your talents, and skills. Hindi mo ipapakita na ikaw ay naapektuhan sa mga nangyari sa'yo in the past, lalo na kung may heartbreak, meron disappointment. You know yourself better. Moon in the 12th house, this is about your emotions. You know how to handle your emotions. You know how to control your emotions. And also with your intuition here, mas connected ka sa instinct mo. Mas connected ka sa mga bagay na alam mong magpapabuti ng sitwasyon mo, ng trabaho mo, ng career mo. And I also see kung meron kang mga major decision making na gagawin, mas magiging madali para sa'yo na makapag-decide. Ayan. And this week, magkakaroon ka ng malinaw na kaisipan. Part yan ng decision making mo at ng realization mo sa buhay na kumbaga mas magiging madali para sa'yo na tanggapin kung ano man yung mga pinagdaanan mo in the past, yung mga challenges na yan. You will realize na it's a lesson na natutunan mo, kailangan mong matutunan. And now, mas matatag ka, mas matalino ka. A fiery climax approaches. So, this is full moon in Aries. I think you may experience something dramatic sa buhay mo. This can be a confrontation with someone or a situation na parang hindi mo maiiwasan na kailangan mong harapin. This can be emotional for you or sa person that you are dealing with. But pay attention sa iyong emotions. Huwag ka masyado magpadala sa emosyon mo kasi baka meron kang magawa or masabi na pagsisisihan mo lang. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.